In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any video file to an audio file on your iPhone without downloading any software. The first thing you need to do is to build a shortcut so we can convert the video to audio with one tap of a button. To do this, you want to open the Shortcuts app, and if you don't have it on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and download it from the App Store, and it will look like this. Once you've downloaded the shortcuts, you want to open it, and you'll be taken to this screen. From here, you want to click on All Shortcuts at the very top, and you should see a list of all of your currently existing shortcuts. Now, to create a new one, you want to click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, and this is going to take you to the shortcut builder. Now, the first thing we need to do is to rename the shortcut. To do this, you want to click on the drop down menu at the top next to New Shortcut, and then you want to click on Rename, and then you want to call it whatever you'd like. So for this example, I'm going to call it Converter. Once we've done this, you want to click on Done, and now we've successfully renamed our first shortcut. Now we just need to go ahead and add our first building block. So to do that, you want to swipe down on search icons, just like so, and then you want to click on the information icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, you want to make sure Show in Share Sheet has been toggled on, and then you want to click on Done, and now we've successfully added our first instruction. Now we just need to make a change to this instruction, so where it says Receive, you want to click on the highlighted box, and then you want to press on Clear, and you want to make sure Media is the only one that has been toggled on, just like this. Once you've done that, you want to click on Done in the top right, and now we just need to go ahead and add a new instruction. So to do that, you want to click on Search Actions at the bottom, and you want to search for an action called Encode. And once you've done this, you want to click on Encode Media, which should be the first result. As you can see, it has added that action to the shortcut. Now we need to go ahead and edit this action by clicking on the drop down menu next to the shortcut input text, and then you want to make sure Audio Only has been toggled on. Now we've done this, we just need to add one more instruction. So yet again, you want to click on Search Actions at the very bottom, and then you want to type Save, and you want to go ahead and find the Save File option and click on that. Once we've done that, you want to click on the drop down menu next to the encoded media option, and you want to make sure Ask Where to Save has been toggled on, just like this. Now we have added all three instructions, our shortcut has successfully been built. So to save this, you want to click on Done in the top right hand corner, and it should be added to the list, and it should be the first result. Now if you want to go ahead and convert a video to audio, you just want to go ahead and find that video on your iPhone, and for this example it's going to be this video which is in my Photos application. So to convert it to audio only, you want to click on the share icon in the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to swipe down, and you should see the new converter shortcut that we have just previously made. So you want to click on it, and then it's going to convert the video to audio, and this will take a few seconds depending on the length of the video. Now the audio has been converted, we just need to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to click on Browse, select iCloud Drive, and I'm going to save this in my documents. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on Open, and now the audio file has successfully been saved. So if I open the Files application on my iPhone, and then I go to the location where I have saved the audio, which for this example is in the Documents folder, as you can see, the img_2015 file is the audio file that I've just converted. So if I click onto it, I can go ahead and listen to that audio file just as I normally would. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.